the Golf Mark 7 pollen filter. Early VWs had the pollen filter here. Later ones had the pollen filter under the dash. In this model they decided to put it behind the glove box. To undo the glove box there's two clips, one here, and there's the damper that you need to push to remove out of the way. Just push it and remove it. Now the damper is free. Clicks. Pollen filter is behind this cover. Clip, clip, clip. I think we have a problem here. See this arrow? It's pointing up. Whoever fitted this filter last time put it the wrong way around. It should be pointing down. Try not to breathe. New filter. Air pointing down. That's it.